Guys, it is Angela Smith, the Mrs. and Mr. and Mrs. Smith, and I just want to take a moment really quickly to show you what you will get access to when you invest in our DIY credit repair program. Okay, that is our do-it-yourself step-by-step system that is going to walk you through repairing your own credit. Okay, let's dive straight in. I'm showing you an actual glimpse of the back office. So once you finish the enrollment application, when you go to the My Credit system, it is going to look exactly like this. Let's go through it, okay? First, you're going to see that this entire system only takes you 24 minutes and 33 seconds to complete, literally less than the amount of time that it takes to watch a sitcom or your favorite Netflix special, right? So it's very, very important that you get to it. All right. Now, the very first video is just a welcome to the system. These videos are short and sweet and to the point. Step number one is pulling your credit report. As you can see, that video is only 2 minutes and 9 seconds. The way that this system works is you are going to watch each video in this system. Then you're going to do what it tells you to do. Now, I do highly recommend you watch all of the videos first, then go back and watch them again following the actual steps. Okay. It's just to make sure you have a clear understanding of what's going on. So not only are we going to tell you in the video what to do, but right underneath, you will see support links or resources where you just click and again, do what it tells you to do. So step number one is pulling your credit report. After you watch that 2-minute video, right underneath, we have 2 links for you to click and actually pull your credit report. Step number 2 is freezing secondary bureaus. Okay. We give you a description of exactly what that is and what that means. Right now, we're updating that information because it does change every now and then. So we're updating that information. Once you freeze your secondary bureaus, if you keep scrolling, we give you the secondary bureaus, the address, the links to their website, as well as their phone numbers so that you can contact them and you can get your freeze done. Step number 3 is checking for errors on your credit report, okay, which is very important, guys. Over 60 million Americans have errors on their credit report that can result in higher credit scores, okay? This video is only 3 minutes and 41 seconds. And then right underneath, we have a downloadable PDF, which shows common credit reporting errors. Step number 4 is starting the dispute process. Guys, it's very important that you do not skip around in this system. I know you think, hey, I just need to remove a couple of things. I only want to do the disputes. I don't want to do anything else. But trust me, there is a method to doing this the right way. And we have it all laid out for you step by step. So it's very important that you do it exactly as it is laid out on your screen. Okay. Step number 4, this is the longest video of the bunch, starting the dispute process. And I call it long, but the video is only 6 minutes and 40 seconds. Okay. So not long at all. Underneath that video, we have 2 different options. You can create a dispute letter using an automated system, or you can scroll up and you can use the actual downloads. Okay. This is where you pull up the letter, you make the necessary edits, and then you print it off and you mail it. Okay. So there's a couple of different ways. Both of these require you to print it off and mail it. Okay. So let me go back on that. Both of them will require you for you to print it off and mail it. However, one of them is more of like an automated system where you're just kind of typing it in an automated system. And the other one is an actual document. Okay. So I hope that makes sense. If we keep scrolling, okay, we give you a lot of additional information and some additional videos underneath. If you're wondering, like, why do I have to mail the letters? Can I just do it online? We give you some additional information on why it's so important to use the mail. Don't do it online because you can waive so many of your rights. Step number 5 is credit utilization. Guys, credit utilization makes up 30% of your score, and it is 100% on you. Okay. This is you utilizing things like your credit card. So very important. We're going to teach you how to get your utilization low and even give you an income option if you choose. That video is only 1 minute and 45 seconds. Then step number 6 is building credit. Again, I highly recommend you don't skip around, even if you feel like you know exactly what you need. Guys, to be honest with you, if you knew exactly what you need, you should have done it already, right? You're here for a reason. You're looking at this video for a reason. Let us teach you step by step. And if you're coachable and you do exactly what this system tells you to do, you can see an increase in your score very, very quickly. Some people start seeing a increase in their score within their first 2 weeks or within their first 30 days of being involved. Okay. Building your credit, that video is only 2 minutes. We give you some loan builder programs as well as some secured credit cards that you can use to build your credit. Some of them do not require a credit check or a security deposit at all. And from there, that is the end of the system. So again, it's short, it's sweet, it's directly to the point, and it takes you step by step. Now, I want to show you another thing where we had the dispute letters. I want to just show you a real insider of how the dispute letters work. So one moment, let me get that pulled up for you. Let's look at the method of verification letter. Our dispute letters are straight to the point. So we give you instructions at the beginning of the letter. We tell you exactly what to do, and you're only going to replace the information in red. So this is an example of what a dispute letter looks like. It's all typed up for you. Again, you're just replacing the information in red. You're going to print your name, sign it, get it notarized. Now, this is optional, but you have a higher chance of getting things removed from your credit report if you get it notarized. And that's it, guys. You're going to print it and you are going to mail it in. Now let's look at some testimonies in our personal group. This is actually one of our personal family members by the name of Ray. He has an 820 credit score, and he was able to add his young son as an authorized user to give him a head start. That's something that we're going to teach you in this program. Okay, check out Tanisha Richards. She went from a 494 credit score to a 640. She's now financing 2 cars and got her first credit card as well. She said the program definitely works, not to mention she'll soon be getting the keys to her new home. Or this member who was successfully able to remove student loans from their credit report. This screenshot just speaks for itself. Okay, let's look at one more. Javier, who was able to get his credit scores in the high 700s. He's so close to entering the 800 club. As you see, he wrote, woke up to a 95-point increase after removing the last collection I had on my Experian credit report. 800 credit score, here we come. And we have countless other testimonies in our private group of people seeing success with our program. And the membership comes with so many other perks because this is a financial company. There's also some optional financial tools to really help you build wealth, not only take your credit to the next level, but increase your cash flow and just take your money mindset to the next level. Things like correcting your W-4 form, debt elimination, minimizing taxes, record keeping, and so much more. So if you're ready to start this journey, click the link below. It's right underneath this video, and let's get started. Take advantage while we're currently running a promotion, because the price will go back up to $99 a month. And as you can see, it's well worth it. Who's seriously ready to fix their credit? See you on the inside.